Welcome to MS Auto Review, your go-to destination for in-depth car reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Ferrari SF90, a hypercar that redefines performance and hybrid technology. With a jaw-dropping design, mind-blowing power, and state-of-the-art engineering, the SF90 continues Ferrari's legacy of pushing the boundaries of automotive excellence. Let's explore what makes this high-performance machine so extraordinary. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 boasts an aggressive yet aerodynamic exterior, sculpted for maximum efficiency and downforce. The front fascia features sleek LED headlights seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, while large air intakes enhance cooling and aerodynamics. The low-slung stance, active rear spoiler, and sculpted side panels give it a commanding presence on the road. The lightweight carbon fiber construction ensures optimal weight distribution, making the SF90 as nimble as it is powerful. Under the hood, the SF90 continues to impress with its hybrid powertrain. A twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, combined with 3 electric motors, produces a staggering 986 horsepower. This allows the SF90 to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.3 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars on the planet. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, delivering lightning-fast gear changes for an unparalleled driving experience. The SF90 also features an advanced all-wheel drive system, providing exceptional grip and handling on both road and track. Inside, the SF90 offers a driver-focused cockpit with cutting-edge technology and luxurious materials. The minimalist dashboard is centered around a fully digital 16-inch instrument cluster, providing real-time performance data and navigation. The steering wheel integrates touch-sensitive controls, allowing drivers to adjust settings without taking their hands off the wheel. Premium Alcantara and carbon fiber trim add to the race-inspired ambiance, while the ergonomic bucket seats provide maximum support during high-speed maneuvers. Ferrari has equipped the SF90 with the latest technology to enhance both performance and comfort. The hybrid system offers multiple driving modes, including EV mode for silent, emissions-free city driving and qualifying mode for maximum power output. The advanced aerodynamics package includes an adaptive rear wing and underbody vortex generators, optimizing downforce at high speeds. A high-performance braking system with carbon ceramic discs ensures precise stopping power, even under extreme conditions. Despite its hypercar performance, the SF90 remains practical for everyday use. The plug-in hybrid system allows for short-distance electric driving, reducing emissions and fuel consumption. The compact yet well-appointed cabin offers decent storage space, making it more versatile than traditional track-focused supercars. The combination of raw power and hybrid efficiency makes the SF90 a revolutionary step in Ferrari's evolution. Competing with hypercars like the McLaren P1 and Porsche 918 Spider, the 2025 Ferrari SF90 stands as a testament to Ferrari's innovation and engineering prowess. With its mind-blowing speed, hybrid technology, and unmistakable Italian craftsmanship, the SF90 is the perfect blend of performance and sustainability. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to subscribe to MS Auto Review for more in-depth car insights. Like, comment, and let us know, does the 2025 Ferrari SF90 live up to your expectations? Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.